All right. Um, Good afternoon. We're going to go ahead and get started. All right. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Greetings, Puma families. Welcome to our Quarter 2 Semester 1 Awards ceremony. We are so thankful for your support. It makes a big difference in our Puma's success. Today, we celebrate the hard work and achievement of our students. Congrats to all our Pumas. Your efforts inspire all of us. We look forward to more growth and success in the coming months. And thank you again to the Puma families for attending. I am now turning it over to our Puma 7th grade leaders.
I'm Amelie Sansone.
I'm Colton Horgan.
As student leaders from JLS and Student Council, we know how hard we have all worked to celebrate our academic success today. This comes across in our Puma motto, soar with confidence and leap to success.
Students will that's it.
Oh, okay. Next up, we have Miss Saldana.
Well, hello, everyone. It's so good to see all of you on this fine awards day. I would like to ask 2 or 3 of our 7th grade team to come on up so we can have a little help passing out your award certificates. We're going to be able to call out the names of students with multiple awards attached, so you only have to come up here once. Please remember that as you come up to the stage, students are going to walk down this way, shake the hand of our lovely principal, Ms. Hewitt, come up the stairs here, receive your awards, walk back off of the stage, and then begin a lineup on these stairs, okay? So once the stair is full, you move to the second stair and the third. Pause for a picture, and we're good to go. Does everyone understand? Wonderful. Both on the same side would be perfect. And here are the awards right there. So if you're reading, do you want us to go on the side? Oh, I don't know. They're going to come up this way. So it's okay. Okay. All righty. So please listen out for your name. First, we have Sophia Almanzar, receiving an award for AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. We have Emery Bomber, receiving awards for Principal List Quarter 2 and Principal List Semester 1. We have Joseph Branch, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Avery Brewington, Principal List Quarter 2 and AB Honor Roll Semester 1. Miles Boltman, receiving awards for AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. We have Nanea Kuajunko, Principal's List Quarter 2 and AB Honor Roll Semester 1. Timothy Dean, Principal's List Quarter 2. William Ellsworth, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2.
Can we slow down just a second? We're trying to.
Yes, absolutely.
Joseph, we have another one for you. And Avery, another one for you. And Miles, another one for you. You can pass those out to me. Thanks for coming. It's Emily. Okay, Nanea.
All righty.
My apologies.
And thank you guys for your coordination. That's awesome.
Congratulations.
All righty. So next we have Luke Froelich for Principal List Quarter 2 and Principal's List Semester 1. Next we have Jace Ganinkas, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2.
Next, we have Aisley Great. AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. We have Caleb Hedke, Principal List Quarter 2, Principal List Semester 1. We have Amara Henderson, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. We have Noah Henderson, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Timur Jeffrey, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Kiana Jones, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Next we have Carson Kester, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Ian Kim, AB Honor Roll Semester 1, AB Honor Roll Quarter 2.
You're gonna have to slow down a second.
Okay.
If I find another one, I'll bring it to you. Noah? Oh, okay.
Okay. Well, we'll definitely have a surprise for him when he comes back. Okay. All right, I believe we're ready to start this roller coaster one more time. All right, so we have Connor Lightfoot. Okay, AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Aiden Marcus, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Parker Michelena, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Bradley Osgood, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. You just go on the second row, darling. On the second row. There you go. Okay. Jace, can you turn around? All right, next we have Simon Pilatus, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Edward Perry, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Julio Salavaria, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Amelie Sansone, Principal's List Quarter 2 and Principal's List Semester 1. Sophia Saucedo, Principal's List Semester 1 and Principal's List Quarter 2. Alexandra Simmers, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Elizabeth Simmers, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Emma Stugart, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Taylor Thomas, AB Honor Roll Semester 1 and AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. Jude Vargas, AB Honor Roll Quarter 2. And we have James Zacchino, Principal List Semester 1 and Principal List Quarter 2. Now these fine students are our honor roll recipients and principal list recipients for quarter 2 and for semester 1. Give them a round of applause, please. We would like to ask the teachers to come up to take a photo, an opportunity to take a photo with the students. If we have some parents who would like to take a photo of the group,
Just gonna put this
Right
says
there?
he's absent.
and then I'm going to ask you to do,
Okay,
or
that's fine. It's okay. You wanna just stand up there?